Don't disturb me, I'm playing Roblox.
20 minutes later.
Don't disturb me, I'm playing Minecraft.
1 hour later.
Don't disturb me, I'm playing LOL.
2 hours later.
Don't disturb me, I'm playing COD.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Don't disturb me, I'm playing CS. Hey, Nathan here, and this is Funny Economics. Have you ever encountered this? Regardless of how much game that you like to play, in the end, it will still be tired and sleepy. And if you are wondering why is it related to diminishing marginal utility, then this is the video that you need to watch until the end. And today I will be sharing with you these 3 steps to learn about law of diminishing marginal utility. So stay tuned until the end. Step number 1, the definitions. Total utility means the total satisfaction that you get from consuming the goods or services, while marginal utility means that the additional satisfaction that you get from consuming the same type of product by additional 1 more unit. Diminishing marginal utility, on the other hand, shows that the marginal utility is decreasing, and they are based on cardinal approach, which means it can be calculated like 1, 2, 3, or 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 3, or 3 minus 2, and so on. Step number 2, the experiment. You may be wondering why this jug and this glass is related to diminishing marginal utility. Let me tell you, everything. Consider this is your favorite juice, or favorite coffee, or favorite tea, or favorite drink, and this is the glass that contains your drink. If I only give you this amount, consider every time I pour is the additional you need. Will you be satisfied? What if I give you more? More. And more. When will you be satisfied? When you will get your maximum satisfaction? Will it be satisfied for you? Will it be more? Yes, of course, it will be more satisfied when you have a full glass of juice or water or drink. But if I add more and more and more and more, the water will start to spill on the table, on the floor. And you might be scolded by your parents. You might spill the water or juice on your shirt, on your dress. You will start to get dissatisfaction and add more and more, and it spills on the table and floor. You might even get divorce. So, which means that marginal utility will start to decrease, and this shows diminishing marginal utility. So as you can see here, as long as there's the first drop that spills on the table, you will start to face diminishing marginal utility and dissatisfaction. Step number 3, the diagrams and formulas. For the diagram, you can see there are 2 curves inside the diagram. Basically, there are total utility and marginal utility curve. You can see that the gradient of total utility is actually going to be flatter and flatter and flatter. This is because of marginal utility is decreasing, and marginal utility is actually the gradient of total utility. As you can see, when marginal utility is positive, total utility is increasing. When marginal utility is maximum, just like this glass of water, as you spill like that, then this is when marginal utility is equals to 0, and there's no additional space that you can add on this glass of water. But if you add few more drops or few more units, it will be spilled on the table. Your marginal utility will start to become negative, and this is where you start to have dissatisfaction, where you need to divorce with your wife because your wife scolded you, where you have to sweep or mop the floor, where it's spilled on the table, and you become grumpy, you become angry, you become dissatisfied. For more content like this, remember to help me to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, and I will see you for my next episode. Quantity, supply, and supply.